Yeah, it's your boy Schema Boy. This ain't rap, this is worship. Look, boy, I'm proud of my faith, there ain't nobody better. He died on the cross, so I don't got a debtor. The riches of heaven, I don't need the cheddar. He carried the weight, boy, I'm light as a feather. I do it for God, I got nothing to lose. I told him about Jesus, I gave him the truth, and I talk to the spirit when I'm in the booth. I lift my hands when I worship, like the police says there's nobody move. Wait, I got the spirit inside of me, enemy talking, he trying to lie to me. I read the book of John and realized he had been trying to write to me. I got the riches of heaven, boy, I won the lottery. Wait, I don't need the money, I shop at the Dollar Tree, nobody better me, they know idolatry. Wait, for you, boy, I'm running the game, I got mud in my shoes and I'm following God and his blood is my food. Carry a weapon, my Bible a flute and I sound like a reverend, I'm preaching the truth. Counting my blessings, they coming in twos, and whenever I'm stressing, I'm looking at you, not counting the views. I'm preaching the gospel, I'm taking his image, I know that I'm handsome. If I see a demon, I'm holding him ransom. I get in the studio, making an anthem. When I was created, ain't none of this random. My Bible a weapon, I'm blowing the can. My God is providing inside of the family. I get in the beat and the spirit been dancing. Like, yeah, this boy Schema like. Boy, I'm proud of my faith, there ain't nobody better. He died on the cross, so I don't got a debtor. The riches of heaven, I don't need the cheddar.
What's up, guys? It's Mamba's back at it again in another video. We are currently in the testing phase right now of Velocity's closet cheat. Pretty much, that's what it is. As you can see, the menu, we got Aimbot, we got prediction, we got, only when visible. You guys can pause it, go back in the video, pause it on that exact menu. If you guys, want to take a closer look at it. Right now, I've been testing this cheat, personally for, I would say, about 2.5 days. And before I continue, I first off just want to say this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone the act of cheating, nor does Velocity. However, cheating is widespread and it's widely available, whether we think it is or not. There's pros cheating in the scene. There's just so many different things, and this is the equivalent of putting a gun back into your hands, the average Fortnite player. Because I can't tell you how many times me and my buddies have played a cash cup and gotten absolutely wrecked by a kid who was clearly cheating. We reported him, and just even not seeing the dude banned within 4 hours just angers us, because we lost our place in that tournament because of that kid. You know what I mean? I'm sure every semi-comp player has had that exact same experience of just playing in a tournament, getting absolutely wrecked by a cheater, and then looking and seeing that the guy's not even really getting banned unless he's being super blatant with it. You know what I mean? Clearly you can tell the dude's cheating, right? But they're not getting banned unless they're super over the top, obviously locking on through walls and whatnot. I got absolutely pieced up, as you guys can see right there. So the version I'm testing right now was, essentially our base version. We hadn't made any changes. So since this recording right here, we've made several changes. One, we added a hotkey to the trigger bot. Trigger bot used to, by default in this one, in the base version, the trigger bot key by default was left mouse click, and that meant that you couldn't use left mouse click for the aimbot. And those of you who know me know how much I love using the left mouse click as my aimbot button. Right mouse click just isn't you have to be aimed in. No, thank you. I would like to hip fire with my shotgun. You know what I mean? And if you press left mouse click, it'll drag on a little bit. So at least you'll be able to have the aimbot when you hip fire your shotguns. So we made that change. In the release patch, it is my plan to give everyone the ability to have more than one aimbot key active at the same time. So standard cheats, you got one aimbot hotkey. I want to set it up to where you got two. My primary focus for Velocity cheats, obviously with the Closet Edition, is to give everyone the ability to use a gun, pretty much. If everybody in Fortnite right now, in tournaments, there's going to be players that have a gun and they're just going to be destroying everybody. What I want to do is I want to give you guys the access to own a gun, to own a firearm, to protect yourselves, to be able to, fight back, because there's so many cheaters now It's so blatant. Like, Fortnite's really gotten to the point to where it's almost like CS:GO in a sense. You know what I mean? You got so many cheaters, and like even with cheating, because I've heard so many people tell me that's not fair. Cheating's not fair. It still is. Cheating is like the one game, like cheating in Fortnite, it's like the one game you can still die. You know, cheating in Fortnite doesn't guarantee you a win. You know, you can still get pre-fired, you can still, you know, have your shot timed. There's just many things that Fortnite is different than any other game. So I started talking to this guy. He beat me. So I started talking to him like, hey, by the way, you know, I was using cheats and whatnot. The guy was like, I could tell. The aimbot, like, as you can see, when you look at the trigger bot right now, there's no trigger bot hotkey. We already added a hotkey. We already added so many different things to the cheat as well. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. The price points are going to be affordable. I want to make sure that this is affordable, not something that, you know, only people who have hundreds of dollars will be able to access. I want everybody to have the ability to play a tournament, and if they play it the right way, not get banned, make a little bit of money, and stay undetected. You know, I want to show you guys how easy it is to cheat in this game, and that's why when this comes out, I'm going to upload a tutorial on how to use the cheat, how to run it. It's pretty simple. All you need is metal downloaded, you know, a metal overlay. All you need is a metal overlay and a license key, dude. Like, this cheat works so simple. I've never had an issue with it, like, not loading. Maybe one time it didn't load for me, and that's because I had, like, antiviruses running and whatnot. This isn't like any other cheat where you gotta go download this or download, you know, Visual Studio runtime, you know, 140, whatever. You may still have to do that, but I'm just saying this cheat was super convenient and easy with the fact that I didn't even have to deal with a bunch of bugs and errors. Like, this was simple and to the point. I think you guys, like I said, I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this cheat. I'm enjoying it. I will give you guys updates. We are not going to release this cheat until we are 100% or at least even like 90% sure that it's undetected. So like right now we're gonna have a week more of like testing phases and, you know, whatnot. I have license keys sent out to some of our media creators and, you know, some of the people who are going to be testing this cheat, and we are going to take their feedback into account. You know, if they tell us, hey, the cheat needs improvement on, you know, these two features, we'll be like, okay, we're going to improve upon these two features. That's what you guys are there for. If they say, hey, I used to cheat and I got banned within, you know, a day and a half, I'm like, okay, clearly detectability is an issue. We're going to ask him, you know, were you blatant with it? And if he says no, then it's like, okay, the cheat is detected. Let's get it undetected. Let's not release this if it's going to be getting people banned off rip. You know what I mean? So that's the number one thing we are focusing on here at Velocity, is just quality. Quality over quantity. We can release 4 different Fortnite cheats. We can release a spoofer. We can release, you know, all these different things. But that doesn't mean the quality of every single one of our products is going to be up to par. You know, we want to make sure everything's quality. So this is, you know, this has been it. If you guys want to see more gameplay footage, stay tuned. I will be releasing, you know, more on this. We'll have other people making content as well. I love you guys. Have a good rest of your day.
Boy, I'm proud of my faith, there ain't nobody better. He died on the cross, so I don't got a debtor. The riches of heaven, I don't need the cheddar. He carried the weight, boy, I'm light as a feather.